more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video from Filmy Mantra.
Maratha Arabians, ala re ala.
For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon. For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video from Filmy Mantra.
Maratha Arabians, ala re ala.
मुंबईचा मुलगा वीरू पाहतो बहुत वाव होगा वीरू भाऊ ओए, वही थोड़ा ताली वाली बजाओ मुंबई Then we have a big round of applause for the Maratha Arabians. वीरेंद्र सहवाग भाई, हम तो कितने नामों से जानते थे, मुल्तान का सुल्तान, नजफगढ़ का नवाब, अब होगा लॉरेंस ऑफ अरेबिया और मुंबई का मुलगा सॉरी इट्स नो मोर वीरूबा, इट्स वीरू भाऊ, सोहेल भाई, सोहेल भाऊ, ऐसे ही चलेंगे अभी भाई आगे अच्छी जगह looking at the captain and the icon player. Just in a jersey में. Actually, I'm bored of seeing the suit वीरू, but this way you look the best. Flex करो. Little flexing. नहीं, almost both of you looking fit enough. अरे और अच्छी वाली फोटो मिलेगी बाद में. I promise. अभी पूरा गेटअप नहीं आया है. इधर आप इधर. अच्छा. Fine. Remove this. Okay. We happy everybody? Everyone's got a clear shot. पीछे. Yes, no, भाई. थोड़ा मुंबई में थोड़ा दिल्ली टाइप सीन हो गया ये.
This is like the Delhi
मैं
smog.
वही कह रहा था, थोड़ा दिल्ली टाइप सीन हो गया.
Yeah, it's like a...
But we're back to Mumbai. अभी आ जाते हैं वापस. वीरू भाव, Sohail भाई, thank you so much for joining us today. Looking very, very dashing, I must say. इनको वही कह रहा था, सूट में देखने की ना आदत है, लेकिन ये बेस्ट लगते हैं, है कि नहीं? How excited are you to have this man to be the captain and the icon player? I know you're very excited. I'll come to the core in a bit, but to have him as part of your own team.
I'm a big fan here. I'm a very big fan of Virupaji. In fact, but I genuinely, whenever I meet him, how much ever you see him play great cricket and the legend that he's been, but he's a fantastic human being. And he's such a nice guy to approach and to have a chat with. And his love for cricket, his love for sports, it's something that we all grew up.
Yeah.
In fact, we all choose our professions, must want to play some kind of sport. And for us, every athlete, every sportsman,
People who are behind this entire endeavor will be giving us this excitement, and I'm guessing without any doubt they are big fans of this gentleman here. Please put your hands together as I welcome on stage Mr. Shaji ul Mulk. He's the chairman of the T10 League, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause as he comes up on the stage. भाई ये अच्छा हो रहा है ताली बजा रहा. Come on, देखेंगे सारे full excitement के साथ. And if I could request Viru Bhau to present him with, of course, the Maratha Arabians jersey. The Maratha Arabian supporters. And also, I'd request at this time to invite on stage Mr. Nilesh Singh from Shiv Tara Properties. He, of course, is one of the sponsors of the team. It's always good to have them as part of, I want to call it a startup, which should come out in flying colors. भाई थोड़ी तालियों के साथ, as he also gets a jersey, जो कि ये डालने वाले हैं बहुत जल्दी. Proud moment. हाँ.
इन्होंने मुझे रिक्वेस्ट किया था यार कि मेरा लोगो आप प्लीज दिखाना ये इनका
Sir, Shiv Tara Chamakyaj. Please, thank you so much for joining us. आप बैठ जाइए. नहीं, आप रख लीजिए, आपकी है. नहीं, ऊपर. ऐसे कैसे? Everyone, please have a seat. Thank you so much. वीरू बाबू, कितने कंफर्टेबल पहले तो आप ये बताओ.
बहुत ज्यादा यार, इसमें ना वो पेट अंदर खींचने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ रही. शर्टों में, जैकेट में लगता है कि अच्छा दिखना चाहिए तो पेट अंदर खींच के रखो जब आप टीवी पे आते हो, बट बहुत कंफर्टेबल लग रहा है.
बट जब पहली बार आपको किसी ने बताया T10 आ रहा है, तो आपने तो बोला ये तो बड़े पहले से आया हुआ है, मैं तो T10 सालों से खेल रहा हूँ.
देखिए, मैं एक साल पहले T10 एक टेनिस बॉल टूर्नामेंट की प्राइस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पे दुबई गया था. तो मैंने कहा यार, जब टेनिस बॉल से T10 हो सकती है तो क्रिकेट बॉल से क्यों नहीं. तो वो आइडिया शायद मेरे दिमाग में ज़रूर था, लेकिन वो इम्प्लीमेंट हो गया. शाहजी ने वो इम्प्लीमेंट कर दिया है कि T10. और रही बात कि ये सबसे बेस्ट फॉर्मेट होगा मेरे लिए, भागना पड़ेगा नहीं, वैसे भी कम भागता था. तो 10 ओवर है, 60 बॉल हैं, 100 रन है, 80 रन, 120 रन. अगर चल गए तो शायद 150 भी बन सकते हैं टीम के, इंडिविजुअल के नहीं. तो आई थिंक बेस्ट फॉर्मेट है मेरे जैसे खिलाड़ी के लिए, क्योंकि जो पहले 10 ओवर जो पावर प्ले का इस्तेमाल करते थे उनमें 70-80 रन बनाते थे भारत के लिए, लेकिन अभी तो फॉर्मेट ही T10 है. 10 ओवर में शायद अब वो 80 नहीं 100-120 तक बनेंगे. तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. एक तो काफ़ी अंतराल के बाद खेलूंगा, तो थोड़ी फिटनेस कर रहा हूँ, थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ बैटिंग की, वापस बैट पर बॉल लगे, क्योंकि मैं इकलौता हूँ शायद जो रिटायर्ड होऊंगा जो खेल रहा हूँ. बाकी सब लोग करंट प्लेयर हैं, पाकिस्तान के हों, श्रीलंका के हों, इंग्लैंड के, साउथ अफ्रीका, ज़्यादातर करंट प्लेयर खेल रहे हैं, तो और मज़ा आएगा.
Yeah, we're looking at some big names. Carlos Brathwaite, Dwayne Bravo, अभी शाजी ने बताया that he was going to be part of the league. There's Mohammad Amir. So we're looking at some big names. पर अभी भी किसी से क्वेश्चन पूछा ना, किस बल्लेबाज से सबसे ज्यादा डर लगता है, तो नाम सर आपके आने वाला है. ये सबको पता है कि नहीं? Any doubt about that? पूछ लो किसी भी करंट प्लेयर से.
शायद वो जो पास्ट की परफॉर्मेंस है ना, वो इतनी अच्छी रही है उसकी वजह से, या जो मास्टर चैंपियंस लीग में हम लोग खेले उसमें भी 1-2 मैचेस में अच्छा परफॉर्म किया, उसकी वजह से कहर तो रहेगा. लेकिन देखना है कि मुझे भी डर है, क्योंकि जो करंट बॉलर है शायद वो चेक जरूर करेंगे मुझे कि कितना अच्छा टैलेंट है अभी भी कि नहीं.
वो चेक करेंगे, आप चेकमेट करोगे, वो हमें भी पता है. But sort of when you know, just the name Maratha Arabians. So how did this come along?
there is a synergy to this, I suppose. I live in Maharashtra. My mother's a Maharashtrian. Okay, Parvez Bhai has lived in Maharashtra all his life, and he's here from Pune. So, and then our other partner is from the UAE. So I think that just the synergy of choosing the name, it just happened, and luckily, you know, we can actually say, like, if I was connected to the other team, which I would probably feel I would be connected to, probably would be the Pakhtun team, because of the whole Pathan background from my father's side. But so either of these two teams, I would have been comfortable that I can actually get involved or speak about it, or have some kind of connect to it. So I'm glad that at least if the Maratha team was offered to us, and we are part of the Marathi team, so there will be some synergy. But coming to what you said regarding the T10, I think cricket is the only game that has evolved itself, and that's why it's kept the life going. It was you know, there should be a lot of 5-day, then there was 1 day, then there was T20, and then this. So it's just keeping the interest of the audience. It's just keeping the interest of the people, of the fans. In fact, if you see now, I mean, no offense to football or hockey or any of these games now, but there are times when no goal has been shot or it's 1-1, like as Virupaji said, that, you know, when you bring out the audience to come to the stadium, they want to see some great cricket. They want to be entertained. And they want to see some wickets. They want to see some sixes, some fours, the adrenaline rush that happens. Now, if you see a football game, sometimes there's no decision. You know, it's...
it's an nil-nil
yeah,
draw.
so I genuinely say that, okay, fine, give the athletes more space to play. Instead of like how cricket has evolved, make it into 9 players, where they can actually exhibit now their skills on the football field, where they've got space, where they can shoot more goals, where something happens because, and that's what cricket, so when this whole T10 was, came about, I remember when I spoke to Saji and Saji said that, you know, hope to have you on board. I said, I'm on. I said, because it is something that, first things first, I love the sport. And I just think that it's a no-brainer. It's something which is going to be delightful, it's going to be fun, it's going to be festive. When I told my younger son that, you know, I'm going to be a part of the T10, the first thing that came out from his mouth was, superb, Dad. It's going to be a riot. And, you know, when you hear things instantly, you know there's going to be a huge success.
बैट्समैन अपने बच्चों से सवाल पूछे तो वो ऐसे हंसते हुए बोलेंगे इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ राइट आई डाउट बॉलर्स को अपने बच्चों से जवाब मिलेगा विरुमा
नहीं, मेरे बच्चे भी दोनों बैट्समैन हैं तो वो भी बोल रहे थे कि क्या हम भी खेल सकते हैं T10 ऐसे तुम अभी बहुत छोटे हो तो तब थोड़े बड़े हो गए तो खेल सकते हो क्योंकि वो घर में वो T5 T10 खेलते हैं मेरे साथ तो उनको लगा शायद ये T10 लीग वो भी खेल सकते हैं लेकिन दे आर आल्सो वेरी एक्साइटेड मेरे साथ जाएंगे उनको शौक है मैच देखने का प्लेयरों से मिलने का शायद प्रैक्टिस में उनको बॉलिंग भी करेंगे खुद बैटिंग भी करेंगे
खुश हो जाओ इंडिया वालों और सहवाग आने वाले हैं लाइन में लगे हुए हैं but Shaji just coming to this I mean you're in many ways now the pioneer right of putting this out in front of the world for the very first time what was your take on the idea to bring this thought and execute it you know how exciting was it to bring it all together and how nervous are you right now because just about a couple of weeks to go and you're looking at some superstars some big names who are part of the league
Yeah, I think, you know, any idea that you think about, I spoke last time also, taking an idea to an actual implementation process is the journey by itself. The thought of T10, like we just said, everybody has played T5, T10, T2, T3, whatever it is, you know. It's not about the short format of the game. It's about bringing a game of 90 minutes. That was my thought. You know, you look at the world sports today, whether it's football, volleyball, or whatever, the big sports in the world is 90 minutes.
yeah
So for me, the thought was, why can't cricket be 90 minutes? And once you decide 90 minutes, then the only format it can fit in is actually 10 hours in 90 minutes, basically. And then that was the thought. Then again, when I said a thought has to turn into reality, today in the world, it's only test, one day, and T20. Now, getting ICC to actually approve
this
and getting the top international players like Viru and the rest of the world to believe in the game and say, okay, let me take this game seriously. If कोई गली का cricket नहीं है, you know, I'm going to be out there in the world, competing in the best of the world, and show my skills, was another challenge. And then came the biggest challenge was the actual cricket boards themselves. You know, there were talk of, my player goes and plays T10. What about his technique? T20 is already spoiling the technique of the 50 overs. So we faced many challenges, many. And then it was a matter of the journey, going by and convincing them and saying, and the biggest break came for us from the Sri Lankan board.
yeah
The Sri Lankan board said, we so believe in this, not only that, we are going to send you a national level team, the champion team, named Sri Lankan Cricket, to play in the T10. So that started the journey of an actual international accreditation.
yeah
And then the West Indies Cricket Board came on board, the Pakistan Cricket Board came on board, the Zimbabwe, the Afghanistan, all the boards, including, of course, you know, Sehwag is playing for us. So which is a great breakthrough as far as the Indian players are concerned. So we hope more to come. So that's the whole
yeah
concept in the journey.
Yeah, but very interesting because there is a big talk. बहुत बात करते हैं कि अब आप क्रिकेट को बाहर प्रमोट कैसे करें
It's a sport that needs to go to other countries.
Yeah.
T10, especially for maybe say the European markets or other markets, Virupa, how big could this be for cricket moving forward, for cricket awareness? 90 minutes ki inhone baat ki. How important could this league or this format be in promoting cricket or getting that awareness around?
I think we are talking about here too, cricket should be part of Olympics. I think T10 is the right format, because it gets over in 90 minutes. It's like a football match and the result will come. So I think this is the right format for if ICC is thinking about, talking to the Olympic Association that cricket should be part of that. So because more nation can play T10 and one batsman or one bowler can win you the game. So every country maybe can produce one or two good players who can win the T10 matches. If they do that, I think we all love it because we all want to play a game of cricket. Doesn't matter the format, longer format or shorter format. I think it's good concept. Now ICC has to think about if they want to take this to Olympic Association or not. So they can all the nations, even who are smaller nations who are playing 4-day or test matches or 1 day or T20, they can play T10 and they can be cricket can be part of Olympic as well.
Yeah, shorter the format, more competitive. Sir, sponsor के point of view से बात करते हैं because it's a first for everyone. आपके लिए was this tricky? How did you come to the decision that let's go ahead with this? What was your entire strategy?
See, actually, like as a businessman, I always think of a branding, but this is not totally for the branding, but the excitement. In India, it's a religion, and if it is expanding worldwide and getting connected with the star players, like in a shorter period of time, you get lots of excitement. And the concept was really good, and this will promote more and more people to come into it because shorter period of time. Earlier it was 1 day, 50 overs match, test match, everything is good, and T20 gives more thrill, and this will even give better thrill, more than T20 in a shorter period.
Over divide हो गया, thrill multiply हो गया. हाँ, ये scene हो गया. But अभी ये शायद सवाल और भी आ जाए, शायद किसी के मन का सवाल ही मैं यहाँ पे पूछ लूँ. You're the only Indian player. Virupa in the league.
League can afford only me, not others. But jokes apart, I think they all are playing IPL and they are not retired, so that's why they are not getting permission. But I'm sure that next year you will see a lot of Indian player will participate in this league as well, because now they're talking to other players because not getting permission. But next year, a lot of cricketer will retire from international and domestic cricket, and then they can play this T10 league. So I'm hoping that my friends they will join me in this T10 league because it's the right format. Doesn't matter you are 36 or 40 or 41, you can play this format and contribute for your team.
आपको लगता है ये बात होगी हमारे नेहरा जी अभी थोड़े रिटायर हुए हैं?
वो थोड़ी देर होगी शायद, और जल्दी हुए होते जब ये कॉन्सेप्ट आने वाला था तब हुए होते तो उनको ड्राफ्ट में लाया जा सकता था. बट होपफुली कि बैक स्टेज से एंट्री करा सकते हैं आशीष नेहरा जी.
Sir, are you listening? Shaji? नेहरा जी,
Yes.
No.
We had feelers, yes. Yeah.
But अब वसीम अकरम, हाँ, by the way, you look at the big names, वसीम अकरम is a mentor / coach. अब आप भी कैप्टन है, आइकॉन प्लेयर हैं, आप भी अपनी टीम के मेंटोर भी रह चुके हैं. कैसी टीम मीटिंग कैसी होगी T10 की? I'm just trying to be a fly on the wall. क्या बातचीत हो रही होगी वीरेंद्र सहवाग, वसीम अकरम के बीच में प्लानिंग की?
देखिए, जब मैं कैप्टन बनता हूँ, चाहे मैं इंटरनेशनल टीमों का भी अपने देश का भी बना और बहुत सारी अलग टीमों का भी बना, तो मेरी टीम मीटिंग कभी ज़्यादा लंबी नहीं होती. और T10 में तो वैसे ही फॉर्मेट ही 90 मिनट्स का है, तो शायद टीम मीटिंग 9 मिनट भी ना चले. सो एक ही चीज़ है कि जाओ, खेलो और मारो. There is no respect for bowlers in this T10.
किसी एडवर्टाइजिंग गुरु ने बहुत साल पहले ये भविष्यवाणी की थी ना, जो आपकी टैगलाइन थी, है बॉल का घर है, बाउंड्री वहां से पहुंचा, कीप इट सिंपल. तो आपने T10 वैसे मन में आप 50 ओवर में भी T10 ही खेलते थे ना?
देखिए, मैं बहुत बारी 10 ओवर में आउट हूँ 50 ओवर के मैच में, 70, 50, 40, 60 रन बनाकर. बाद में कोसता था अपने आप को कि मैं ज़्यादा खेल सकता था, बट मैं खुश था कि एटलीस्ट मैंने 10 ओवर तो खेले. बहुत सारे ऐसे प्लेयर होते हैं जो इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट खेलने आते हैं, 10 मैच भी नहीं खेल के जाते. एटलीस्ट मैंने ज़्यादा मैचेस खेले, ज़्यादा बार मौका मिला 10-10 ओवर खेलने का, तो खुश था. लेकिन मज़ा मुझे वही आता था कि जितनी देर भी खेलो तो बॉल का काम है उसको बाउंड्री तक पहुंचाना, तो वो मेरा काम था कि मैं उसको बाउंड्री तक पहुंचाऊं.
बस एक और संगीन सवाल, उसके बाद हम अपने मीडिया वाले भाइयों से सवाल पूछने को कहेंगे. योयो टेस्ट होगा यहाँ पे?
देखिए, मैंने तो कभी इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट खेलते हुए योयो टेस्ट नहीं दिया, पीप टेस्ट नहीं दिया, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि इसमें योयो टेस्ट की ज़रूरत है. 10 ओवर में मुझे वो गेंदबाज चाहिए जो 2 अच्छे से ओवर डाल सके, चाहे वो चल के डाले चाहे वो दौड़ के डाले.
What are your expectations, Team Sasol? Are you going to have a pep talk? आपने कुछ सोचा है?
He's a pro, yeah. He's a pro. No, but as he generally said that it's a good day for any team because it's a format that can have a lot of upsets. In fact, even in the last game when India played the 8-over game, they were expecting, to go 100 plus, and we started losing wickets, and everyone was out on 67 or 68. Yeah. So there can be a lot of upsets. It's not just, if you lose early wickets and it restricts the batsman, then if the new batsman comes in, panics, there can be a lot of upsets in this game too. So let's see. I think it's a great format. It's, as he said, that it's going to be a burst of energy, of talent in a very short time. So I'm full on. I'm full geared for this.
Bring it on.
आंकड़े पूरे 8 ओवर के गेज में 67
आंकड़े नए बनाएंगे वो आंकड़ों से प्यार आपको भी धीरे धीरे हो रहा है वो मुझे पता है व्हाट विल बी द एवरेज व्हिच विल बी कंसीडर्ड गुड एक बैट्समैन की इस लीग के डू यू हैव एनी बेंचमार्क क्या देखेंगे 30s विल बी अ गुड thing to quantify how many 30s do you get
not 30s how many if you face 10 balls if you can score 20 or 30 runs that's the benchmark I don't think so 30 is the benchmark because in 60 balls out of 60 balls if each player 4 or 5 batsmen can get 5 ball each and they score 15 or 20 runs I think I'm happy with that.
The captain is happy with that. Let's see if captain is happy with the questions. We'll open the floor for questions now. Mike will reach you. Kindly introduce yourself and let's try and restrict all the questions to this T10 league. So can you have the mic delivered there, please?
Hello, I'm Devdutt from First Post. My question is for Virendra Sehwag. You see, we already have T20, which is a fast-paced miniature form of cricket. So what different would T10 offer? That's one. And the second question is, do you see this concept, the T10 concept, catching on in the near future and being adopted in international cricket?
I think cricket is same. Doesn't matter you play 20 over, 10 over, or 50 over. Because at the end of the day, you play those number of overs and you score as many as you can. And I'm sure that after this event, after this first year of league, you will get to know that this format will liked by people or not. I'm sure that you will see that Sharjah Stadium will fill with the people and they will come and watch this game because I still remember that Sachin Tendulkar singing at Sharjah. So I'm thinking that and hoping that the people will come and watch me there also because last time when I played there, I scored 135 runs. So hopefully, out of 10 overs, if I face 5 or 6 overs, I'm able to score 30-40 runs.
Hello. My question is to Viru Bhauji. Viru Bhau, the question is like, now already you're retired and how you practice, still you're like, to keep yourself fit, आप लगते नहीं हो कि आप retired हो. So how is your fitness and how much you are prepared for this T10?
I just started my fitness last week. And batting I will start after this test match because I'm doing commentary for this Delhi test match. I think 4 or 5 days enough for me to hit the ball correctly. So I'm not bothered about my batting because I know I can handle that. But what I have to bother about is look after my fitness if I can stand for 60 balls or not.
Since I hope you'll be as a captain, you'll be opening the game. Will you allow other players to play?
Of course. Why not? Because people will come to see Sangakkara also, not only Sehwag. Yes, but
आउट हो जाओगे तो ही दूसरे को दोगे ना सर.
तो मतलब आप ये बोल रहे हो कि मैं आउट ही नहीं होऊंगा 10 ओवर में. मैं बहुत बार ये जीरो पे भी आउट हूँ. 36 जीरोस है मेरे इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में. तो औरों को भी मौका मिलेगा और वी कैन चेंज द बैटिंग ऑर्डर ना. 2 मैच में मैंने ओपनिंग कर ली, 2 में कोई और कर ले. तो ये तो स्ट्रैटेजी जब मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा पहुँचूंगा. वसीम अकरम ने शायद पहले ही बना के रखी होगी बट मैं भी थोड़ा बहुत उसमें मॉडिफाई करूँगा कुछ.
वीरू, अंकुर त्यागी जी न्यूज़ से हूँ. सवाल आपसे है, अभी जो मुद्दा चल रहा है खासतौर पे भारतीय क्रिकेट में जो प्लेयर्स हैं जिन्होंने विराट कोहली और खुद रवि शास्त्री बात करने वाले हैं बोर्ड से फी पे हाइक को लेकर, आपकी अपनी राय क्या है एक्स क्रिकेटर के तौर पे इस पे?
मैं बड़ा खुश हूँ जब ये अनाउंस हो कि T10 लीग होएगी और मैं इसमें हिस्सा ले रहा हूँ और मराठा एबियंस का कैप्टन बना. मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई. You got the answer? Good.
Not yet, sir. Not yet.
Then watch my Twitter or Facebook.
With the Maratha Arabians and the event.
भाई क्या?
मेरे से थोड़ी पूछा आपने, वहां से पूछा, उन्होंने आंसर दे दिया. I think we move. Next
Hello,
question.
my question is Sohail sir. Sir, you've been always a sports man, always been, you know, supporting sports and all. How this taking a franchise came in your mind and support Maratha Arabians?
You know, anyone who comes to do any kind of business with me or work with me, I only tell him two things. That मेरी ज़िंदगी में the only things I can do is make movies and be involved in sports because I'm very interested in sports. Cricket is something, as Sir said, that we've lived with cricket all our lives. We've played from gully cricket. I remember the first time I went to a stadium, I was in awe. It was like how when I enter a studio, a film set, how good it makes me feel. When I entered a professional cricket stadium, I felt the same. So, मेरी ज़िंदगी में यही होगा. अगर मैं कुछ भी करूँगा, तो it be regarding sports or regarding the field I am from films. So I feel that if you're interested in something, you're more involved, and if you love what you do, you're happy with it.
Anyone else? मतलब हमने सारी चीजें एड्रेस कर ली अच्छे से. That means it's been पक्का. Anyone else? All good? So मैं सोच रहा था वो इतनी फिटनेस की बात हो रही थी. Do you think apart from being the co-owner, you might just be the trainer and all as well?
No, in fact, you know, I want to ask, when everyone was asking questions about test and 5-day, 50 overs and T20 and now T10, what I want to ask you genuinely, and when I see this happening, where they say that, what is the fitness of T10 now? But Paji, just tell me something that, in for my knowledge, isn't test cricket something which actually is the most tedious? Because एक बंदा जो एथलीट जो है उनको 5 दिन खड़े रहना पड़ता है धूप के अंदर. Your concentration level for every ball is the same. It can be a T10 game or it can be a 5-day game. Because in a slip you're standing, कभी भी कैच आ सकता है आपको, बाउंड्री पे आप खड़े हो, कभी भी बैट्समैन मार सकता है. You're constantly bowling, you're constantly batting, you're fielding. So I genuinely, in fact, want to ask you is that, isn't Test cricket still the most fittest that you have to be?
And difficult format also. Yes, difficult format. But since under 14, we get used to playing 4-day cricket or 3-day cricket. So we get used to. And when we do fitness, we generally practice for a couple of hours. So make sure we stand in the practice. We will not sit on chair. We bat for half an hour. We then field for half an hour. And then when we do bowling for 45 minutes to an hour. So we get used to of that. And you need a mindset. So when you play test cricket, because I still remember I fielded for 1.5 days or maybe 2 days, and then I get a chance to bat, and I batted 2 days. So 4 days I was at the ground, and we lost all our wickets after that, and I fielded for 5 days. So I was spent actually all 5 days on the field, and I was cursing myself and cursing my team also. So I need the good bowlers at least so I can sit in the dressing room for some times. But yes, test cricket is a difficult and toughest format, and you need more fitness for that rather than for 1 day and T20s.
So भाई एक और चीज भी सुनी हमने बाकियों से. जब ये मैदान पे होते थे तो बॉलर्स के लिए परेशानी थी. जब मैंने ये भी सुना जब आउट होके वापस ड्रेसिंग रूम में आ रहे थे तो बाकियों के लिए परेशानी थी, क्योंकि ये साथ में बैठ के बोलते थे जिसने डिफेंड किया ये तो चौके वाली बॉल थी यार, ये तो छक्के वाली बॉल थी यार. तो बाकियों के लिए सब बोलते हैं ये वीरू के साथ बैठना आउट होके.
No, but believe you me, for the runner, it's for a bowler, in fact for a pace bowler, it's the most frustrating कि इतनी दूर से भागते आता हूँ और ये पहुंचा देता है बॉल, फिर वापस से जाना पड़ता है, रन अप लेने वापस से पहुंचा देता है बॉल. At least for a spinner, the effort is very less.
Yeah.
But
the great man said spinner को spinner batsman बनाते हैं, spinner खेलते क्यों हैं? ये different. That's वीरू का फंड है. One last question वीरू का, आप फील्डिंग करते हुए किधर दिखोगे?
देखिए मैं कप्तान हूँ, जो सबसे सेफ जगह होगी वहाँ पर मैं खड़ा हो सकता हूँ. तो पहली चॉइस ये थी कि मैं लीग खेलूंगा तो मैं कप्तान ही करूँगा, क्योंकि अगर दूसरा कप्तान बनेगा तो मुझे बाउंड्री लाइन पर भेज सकता है. तो शायद जो सबसे आसान जगह होगी शॉर्ट फाइन, लाइक शॉर्ट थर्ड मैन, शॉर्ट मिड विकेट, वहाँ पर मैं फील्डिंग कर सकता हूँ.
शायद पहली बार हमें देखने को मिलेगा, just like many things that he was the first man to do it, a captain fielding at short fine leg and leading his team. But thank you so much everyone. जाने से पहले मैंने promise किया था you will get a better photo of. तो भाई मराठाओं के अंदाज में थोड़ी फिर लेके आ जाए, मराठाओं के लिए पेशकश की जाए. हमारे जो दो हैं ये देखिए, थोड़ा ढोल ताशा हो जाए भाई. Let's have some music, and can everyone just once again put a big round of applause for the Maratha Arabians, Virendra Sehwag, Sohail. भाई बजा दो यार ताली. Are you not excited? Can we have some music please?